It is not familiar. It is not. It is quite familiar. Sorry, it is quite familiar to look at this shape and colors in our book. Am I right? Yes. Then, this is a spatial sense concept that you bring to your student. When you say spatial sense, you want to bring that definitely the elements that we bring up for them is shape, size, position, direction, and movement. If your lesson touch these few parts, it means that you already let children to develop their mathematical concept in this area. It's called spatial sense area. And how are we going to use this shape and color in our lesson? For example, let's say today, I will ask you, your name please?
S-O-N-I-J.
S-O-N-I-J-N.
N-I-J-A.
Solija. Okay, sorry. Solija. Can you tell me what is this color? Green. Next. Teacher? Yihong. Yihong. Can you tell me what is the shape? Great. Why I say great? Because you really listen to the instructions very clear. I say, can you tell me the color? Then you say green. And I'll ask, can you tell me the shape? You say square, but you did not say square green or circle green. You did not say this. That is very, very good. You very pay attention about that. Okay, next. Teachers? Can you tell me what is the shape and the color?
Red color.
Triangle. Black in triangle. Okay, very good. If your activity is proceed in this kind of situation, it means that you already develop children identifying skill. They identify according to the shape and the color. This is identifying skill. You have developed young children. If the child from the beginning maybe they are not really can answer, but at the end they're able to say this is a white triangle, and this is a red, and this is a yellow circle. It means that they already developed identifying skill. Next, we use the same material, learning material, for another activity. Look at this activity. What I'm inquiring our student to do it. Color classification. Yes. How about you? Can I ask how many groups that my student can classify among these shape? How many groups that my student can classify among this shape? Color classification? Three groups. What are they? Yes, that is again?
Blue, yellow.
Yes, red, blue, and yellow. If I ask my students, can you classify them in color? The answer is they may able to classify three groups in color for me. Am I right? That is red, blue, and yellow. If my student can do it, it means that my student has achieved or developed or improved a compare and classification skill. is the wise method, because later on another question will ask you. Okay. So same material I'm using, but now maybe we assign for 5 years old or 6 years old children. Our student is 5 or 6 years old. I want them to discover the objects surrounding them. For example, then I ask you, can you observe the surrounding here? What is the object? Have shape in triangle? Yes, triangle, the paragraph, and rectangle, door, and then what? Oh, a table, rectangle, table, some more? Whiteboard, okay. Then some more in rectangle. Is there any more? Huh? Laptop, yeah, the laptop is rectangle. Yes, this papan is rectangular. And then right now, I want you to go and discover, is there any square? Oh yeah, yeah. Clock is not square. Square. Oh, you mean the box? Okay, the box there is square. The window is square. An aircon is square. And then now I want you to go and find the object in circle. The light is in circle, very good. And then the clock, and then some more. The cake also in circle. And then some more is on my wall. What is a circle? The sun. The ball. The clock is in circle. And then here, this is also circle. Am I right? So this is another further level for your student who already achieved comparison skill just now, identifying skill. They already achieved that such of a skill. Then right now, what is this skill? If a children can answer this, it's called reasoning skill. Reasoning skill, it means that they matches items or object with reason. It's not without reason. They know that, oh, why? Like they said this. Okay, it's in circle because they know there is a round shape here. This is another activity using shape. And while we said using a shape, then how about if, right now you see, this is a shape. Then any other activity that besides shape, small and big, that one called? Size. Yes. Small and big, it means that size. Ordinary size, it means what? Yes. Small, medium, and large. Very good. Just now a teacher already said that we can use the shape to arrange small, medium, and large. And what is this called? What order? Ordering size. And then you can ordering the size in an ascending order or descending order. Yes, good. So if your children
also can taller and shorter.
Yes, taller and shorter. And then they also can big to small, empty to full. And this skill is called seriation skill. Seriation skill. When you get children to arrange the object from big to small or even small to big, it is called seriation. Seriation skill. I would like to introduce to all of you a pattern. The concept of mathematics, second concept of mathematics is pattern. Pattern. You bring children, you bring your students to make prediction. When you try to introduce pattern concepts for young children, it means that you get your students to make prediction, to do reasoning skill and logical connection. How? If this as example, this is a pattern. Many teachers know that how to play this activity, but they don't know this is a patterning. Am I right? So, what is the next? Square. If your answer is square, it is not enough yet. Yes? Square circle. No? Yellow square. Okay. If I put a red square, is it the answer? No. I should place yellow square. Because there's yellow square, green circle, yellow square, green circle, then yellow square. Yeah, this is the answer. So, when your student able to do this, means that they are develop reasoning skill and patterning skill. Look at the next game. Yes, that is a shape from the small to big. Then, what is the next? Small square. Small square. Small yellow square. They are not really correct, or maybe you don't know. I know that you say, is it? They are not same answer as me. So you tell, what is that? Small square. You answer a small square. Okay, what's the next?
Saya lebih nampak objek tu macam ascending order macam ikut.
Ascending order.
Smaller, besar.
Semakin besar. Okay, so the last conclusion. What is the next? What's the next? Is a small square or more big square? More big. Or you change already, okay? Just now I know that you want to say big square. Someone says small square, I also small square. Be confident. This is big square. Okay? Because if you want to use this as a pattern, it is still not enough information for us to do patterning. Patterning means that they must have 2 rounds or more than 2 rounds that is repeated. Then you can, you may determine what is the next. Here, there are no repeated yet. So it is not good for us to predict without repeated and then as a patterning. This small, medium, and big. So the next we predict they are more bigger. Okay. Next, I want to ask. Just now we have said that a range from small to big and or a range from big to small. What is a scale? What is a scale? Yes, I heard. Ordering size? What is the scale? Ordering size? Reasoning skills? Yes, someone say reasoning skill. I'm still waiting for the
Patterning skill.
patterning skill.
Solution skill.
Who said? Yes.
Recording in progress.
This is serration skill. Oh my god. I did not record.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it is a serration skill. Yes. Serration skill. Of course, you need to have critical thinking. Just now we will say that, hey, is it a patterning or is it a serration? Then you need to do critical thinking. If your lessons plan for your student in this way, it seems that your students will get smarter and smartest. Because they are trying to predict, think critically to answer your question. And then, if you put it in your games, so your class will have fun. So today we are bringing this activity for all of you. Where's you come from? Where you come from? Johor? No. KL? Muar. Oh, okay. Aha! Look at this. I know every one of you have your fashion style, your own self. Am I right? Then just match. Then let me know why. There's no right or wrong answer, but you need to tell me what's a fashion style. Here. Anyone can tell me? This red shirt would match with which shorts? Red long pants. I love your answer. It doesn't mean the answer is correct now, but I love that you state in clear. Red long pants, is it? Not short one, long one. Okay. Any other have other fashion sense to match this shirt with pants? How about you? Huh? Matching pants also, you cannot answer that. Can or not? Answer?
Short sleeves with shorts. Short sleeves, t-shirt.
Okay. Which one?
T-shirt number 2.
T-shirt number 2.
Short shirt.
Short blue pants. Okay, this you want to match with short blue pants. Then this one?
Green shirt.
Green shirt. You want to? Blue long pants. Okay. Then tell me why you are doing that.
Because the sleeve match with the color.
I love you. Okay? Because the sleeve match to the color. Okay? Yeah. And then any other reason? Any other reason? There is only one reason that we are doing matching. So it means that our fashion sense, everybody are same. Is there any other fashion sense different? Are you raise hand? Is it? It's not? Is it? Huh. Are you itchy again? So, if that's so, it means that maybe when I meet you somewhere, KLCC, my dress and yours will be the same. They're going to wear uniform, okay? Alright? Yeah, for me, I am so doing so because I'm going to keep these pants due to the sleeve, okay? The color of the sleeve. Yeah. Very good. What is this skill?
Classification.
Classification? Classification skill? No. Classification, it means that you need to classify the same character into a group.
Logical connection.
Huh?
Logical connection.
Yes, logical connection. And also, I always ask you why you do so. Because the answer have no right or wrong, am I right? Okay? Then I will ask you why you do so. This is reasoning skill. Yes, this you have reasoning skill. Critical thinking and logical thinking, of course you have reasoning skill. Reasoning skill means that when you do this matching, you will tell what is the reason why you do so. This is called reasoning skill. This. How are you going to match? Right now I have 3 kids. I want to put on their clothes. So which one will match which one? I don't know which one is girl and boy. That is long hair. Yes, you must use the term long because we teach mathematics. Am I right? You must use the term the long hair. The long hair is a girl, so pink girl. Okay, and then short hair boy.
Using
Green and blue. Yes. Yeah, we do these decisions according to what's criteria. Logical thinking, yes.
And seriation skills.
Seriation skill, no. Seriation skill is from big to yes, from the sizes, but these two of them are the same size.
So reasoning skills.
Reasoning skill, yes. Come on. Some girl and boy, yes, there's a reasoning skill also because your logic. You cannot put on the boy with with a gown, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. There is a reasoning skill and then color classification. Oh, color classification.
We got shape and size.
We got shape and size
And pattern.
and pattern. And pattern. A moment, please. Okay. That is not the answer yet, but good try. First, of course, we need to consider about the what? Size. Yes, we need to compare about the size. The second is reasoning skill.
Gender.
Reasoning skill depends on the gender. Yes, this one you said that long hair, short hair is a boy, needs to wear pants. Long hair is a girl, you need to wear gown. That one is reasoning skill and logical connecting. Yeah. Okay, they're also critical thinking. And until this stage, you may be asked, I teach mathematics. Then I just teach them to play with an activity. Why I need to know what skill, reasoning skill, comparing skill, seriation skill, so many skills that I need to consider. Why? Why I need to know about this?
You also want to improve the teaching skill to them.
You want to improve the teaching skill, our teaching skill
Yeah.
to them.
Yeah.
No. Why? Because they don't need teaching. They are learning, am I right? Why we need to transfer? Why we need to know ourselves? We need to know what is this skill, what is this skill, what is that skill.
Our objective.
Our objective? Yeah. Maybe. Because if you know about this skill, then you may precisely arrange your activity to develop young children in certain area. You learn mathematics, you need to develop young children to do compare. Compare right now may be object only, object. But when you go further, you need to get children to compare the quantity of numbers. Which one have a bigger numbers and which one has smaller number. This skill, we need to let them do, develop before they go to the 5 years old and 6 years old. If you don't have this skill, when they do mathematics symbolic, it means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's no object on the top for them to count. It is hard for them to have the sense that how to compare these two numbers. Which one have a big number, which one have a small number. Compare for their previous knowledge. Therefore, comparing skill has to be developed in advance. In advance. And we use the learning material, just now, the blocks, the shape, and some worksheet. That is only our media to guide them or to develop them situation skill, logical thinking, reasoning skill, comparing skill. That is only media. This. So you know why you want to know that when you plan for this activity, actually you already develop children what skill. When we say this one, measurements, it means that the elements that we touch is length, height, width, and weight. We measure how long is it, how heavy they are, and then how big the material is. And then this activity, can you tell which groups have shorter, which groups is shorter? Which groups is shorter? The A groups or B groups? B groups. So we compare the length for these two groups. Am I right?
Yes.
Everyone also agree?
Yes.
B group is shorter?
Agree.
No argument, ah?
No.
No, ah? Okay, we go for the next activity. Which group of the group is shorter? Which group of the group is shorter? A group or B group?
B group.
Celine said that. Let me think about that first. I know, I can see there is a tree line here that you are critical thinking now. Again, I ask, which group of this group is shorter?
B group.
B group. Yes, they are same. There's only 2 persons there to answer. The rest, it is the means they're still downloading. Looping, yes, looping. Same line. Which one? Do you got answer? Downstairs. Shorter. This B group shorter. You look different. It look different. If they join,
Center there got space.
or center there got space. If you join together, you join them together, then or not same line already. If you join them together, maybe this one is shorter a bit. Okay. Good explaining, okay. How about yours? Don't just keep quiet, just say it. Same. This group? Or when I ask you, then you go and take attention. This, like this, cannot, So what? Which group? Shorter. Which group? You need to see your friend, you use your eye and see, observe. You said there is a space. I知道你有 idea. So they don't attack, Which group? Shorter? Shorter tak? B. Oh, kalau dia contoh dia akan tak sama panjang dengan atas ah.
Sebab kalau nak jatuh dia sudah betul-betul kan.
Ya, sudah
So
betul-betul.
kena ikat.
Kena ikat dulu. Baru dah sama panjang. Suka dengan dia. Okay. Kalau dia cantum, oh, lagi pendek. Yang dia cakap, kalau dia cantum, dia boleh pendek sikit. Sekarang dia cantum, mungkin dia panjang sikit. Yang atas. Okay. How about you? Each group has longer. This group or this group? Wow, 你逢问必不答。You just select this or this. Oh, if they are the same. How about you?
The A is longer because the shorter one we can use that to measure the long one.
Oh, you said that this is to measure. That is for measure the long one only.
So the B one is shorter.
So the B one is shorter. Okay. How about this group? You already download for many minutes already, huh? No, what I mean is longer. Okay.
You finish the side.
Potong, how to say?
How does it feel?
Bawah tu kan dia nipis kan, kalau kita potong dia makin panjang.
Oh. But how about the nipis dan tebal relate to panjang dan pendek? How we relate nipis and tebal relate to panjang dan pendek?
Dia renyang.
Dia renyang. Okay. So the answer is they are same. That's it. Yes. Okay. Lovely. Again. You said that this is for measure this. If this is for measure this, it means that the length of this group actually is these two. They are the same length, then we can measure, am I right? Okay. And if you see, if your children, they can tell you, teacher, they are the same length. It means that they are in pre-operational stage. They are in pre-operational stage. If you look at our KP 2026, the new curriculum, that they have one tunjang is for teachers to develop young children to pre-operational stage. So what is a pre-operational stage, students? There are, in this stage, students begin to think symbolically. It means that they try to think something that is under symbol and engage in make-believe play. It means that they can think, which is they are not see, but they can think, that is called pre-operational stage. Don't worry, another example for you. There is a 2 water bottle here. Both of them are 500 ml, 500 ml. So I pour this water inside these 2 glasses. Let me clarify my question first. Okay. Which glass has more water? B. Okay. Hey, just now B, you see that? She said that same. And then you said B. B is it?
Same.
I love you. She said that same and then give reason. Got reasoning skill, she already developed reasoning skill. I say same because. She said because later on I tell you what her because okay. Same or which one has more water?
Same.
Very confident they are same.
because just now the quantity of water 500 ml to the cup. If we never show the children the cup, then they say it's different size.
If you never show the bottle lah, okay, and then they say that here's the bigger size one before lah, okay. How about you? This group.
Same same.
Why? Because she said same. So why?
Because the B glasses big.
Because the B glasses is big. So this is not same, is it? This is B glasses is big. It means that B glasses have more water, is it? Same or B glasses have more water?
I think it's an A.
Oh. Eventually you are both are different lah. So you are A have more water, you are B have more water. Am I right? How about you?
Same.
Oh, they same. Okay, play safe, huh? Okay. How about this group? Which class have more water? See? This one. This one. This one have more water. You? This one have more water. Okay.
Tapi saya quantity air sama tapi gelas berbeza.
That's why my question is, which glass has more water?
Sama.
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 Okay. Very good. Those who answer same, you see that? The first one same. Okay. I love you, love you, love you. Okay. You don't forget, this is shorter and big. Gemuk sikit macam ni ah. Actually also contact, she said, what is the volume of the water? 500 ml. This glass also 500 ml. This glass also 500 ml. Because you see the bottle is finished or empty already, am I right? The bottle here pour inside the glass. This also pour inside the glass. So this is the lesson we need to plan for our students start from 2026. We get children to develop to pre-operational stage. We have to develop our children to pre-operational stage. Very fun, am I right? They also have another activity you can assign for your student, which is 1 kg of cotton and 1 kg of the iron. Besi. Who is heavy? Iron.
Both
Same.
Yeah, that is 1 kg of cotton many, you know, like this big or 1 kg of cotton, and then 1 kg of iron. People will say iron because in their sense is besi sangat berat. Iron is very, very heavy. So they will select iron. Some of them will select cotton because cotton, okay, like this big. So they will select cotton. But they forget actually how many cotton also, they are also 1 kg. How small the iron also, they also 1 kg. So they are same weight. This you assign for your student. Get your student to know that when you look at the weight, when you look at the length, when you look at the quantity, the volume of the water, it doesn't mean to look at the object, the size of object, or the container that hold the water. But you need to know the Jisim. 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 This is very important that we need to teach our students starts 2026. Before we go to another concept, we just rest for 5 minutes because this is really burn your brain. Okay, this number sense. We stop for 5 minutes. Okay.
要不要这个不也是有啊？接下来你要问什么问题也直接问。接一本来，阿问完我先问。万一 P1 P2 的 Mathematic，
P1 P2
简单的难。ini P2.
Yeah, I'm from Penang. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I saw a typos in our. I need another branch. Macam buku also. Macam buku already 2 years, already after 4 years only. 2 years. Oh, what's the correct okay, no problem. This one we are leaving in the second sections that we need to use this book. I asked that everybody need to bring this book and then the second semester or first semester?
Second semester. Second semester.
No problem. Later on, second sections, we are focused upon how to make a lesson plan, how you're going to write a lesson plan for your books, for your textbook and textbook. Okay, everybody. Shall we start our class? Then you forgot to bring the book. Never mind, we are very near you. Shall we start our class? Start from now onward, we are talk about number sense. As we know, when we talk about mathematics, numbers is very important, am I right? That we have discussed and played just now, that is for to develop young children's skill. You know, why? Because with this skill, the children be able to do the numbers. What's number sense? Like number sense involve counting backward, adding and subtracting in our first semester book. How many units?
One.
That is only 1 cube, am I right? And when you get children from real objects to abstract, then you ask your students to match with the number type. This activity involves counting and matching the symbolic number. This is called symbolic number. How many cubes are there? 5. Then, of course, you will get the children to select. That is a cut, which is number 5 to match with it. And this involves counting with objects. You must begin your lesson, start with counting real object before the abstract number. I found that many children, when they are 7 years old, they still not really know how to count, but they can identify numbers. In their logical thinking, numbers is just reading like English. There's no image about the quantity in their mindset. If the child developed in that scenario or situation, it means that the children did not cover this number sense concepts in their mathematics. They just hafakan mathematics only. Next, how about this? Again, how many cubes? One cube. They know how to match with the number cards. Then how many cubes are there?
10.
Yeah, very fast you can count. That is a 10 cube, of course. You know how to pick. That is a 10 number cards are there. Next activity, what should you train your children? Comparing skill. What should you do it to train your student comparing skill? After you teach this one, and you want to develop your student comparing skill, then what question you will ask for them? What question do you ask for them? What shape? More?
Less.
And less, yes. Comparing skill, counting combined with comparing skill, it means that you will ask, right, which group have more cubes and which have less cubes. So counting, don't stop counting and matching with the number card, but also do it comparing less and more. That's why I say skills that we have developed when they are in the foundation stage is very important, because eventually they will bring in this activity. To reward all of you are so great and smart, you know, I bring this to you. Together versus takeaway. What is the definitions of together and takeaway in English? Right, you are so smart. That's why I said this is a very smart class, okay? The terminology of mathematics together and takeaway is addition and subtraction. Yes. When we talk about that is a 1 cube, and here are the 5 cube, and both of them are in a less box. Then I want them to put it together. Together means all. Yes, all together. We need to mix these two groups together. After mix these two groups together, you will get more or you will get less. More object you will get. That's why you need to do using addition to make it more. So you look at the relationship between this triangle. When you have less and another group also less, when we say together, means that these two groups, they are mixed together, joined together, and last they will get more. And in this situation, we are using addition. This is the step by step. We introduce to our student what is the meaning of addition. Don't straight away look at the symbol and then count with your fingers. Okay? So how about if there is a subtraction? I want to take away some from this more box. When you say that you want to give away, you're going to give some things to your friend, it means that you have a lot of things. Am I right?
Yes.
So, in this small box, I want to take away some. I want to take away 3 cubes. And eventually, how many cubes remain that I have?
Three.
3, yes. So this is the way how you introduce subtraction to your student. So I remain 3 cubes in the last part. This is subtraction. Therefore, we can identify together, it means that adding. And take away, it means that subtraction. Can we tell our student that when you see together, it means that you need to do adding. When you see take away, or how many balance are there, then you do subtracting. Can we teach our student memorizing mathematics concept with this way? Can we? No. His teacher say no, don't follow her. Maybe she's not right. Can we?
Sometimes I use.
Well, very honest, moral number 1, okay? Sometimes I use, but it seems that you say that I know that I was wrong. Am I right? You give me your response is sometimes I use it, but I know that is wrong. So the answer is no, you cannot. Because if you refer, you teach enrichment class, am I right? If you refer to the standard 1, it's not all when you see all together means that this question, subjective questions are using adding to solve. It not definitely is doing that. Sometimes you say that, oh, take away, but to solve that question, it doesn't mean that you need to use subtraction to solve that question. When we said that we want to develop our children number sense, we cannot develop them to hafalkan the terminology. We cannot teach like that. You must remember when you see together, then you put add. When you see take away or balance, you need to do minus. No, this is not this way. Because they are not really understand, but they hafalkan only. Okay, this is not a good way. When, especially your school, kindergarten school, they will have enrichment class after further. Then enrichment class teacher will come and scold you. You say that, how do you teach my student until they don't know how to do this, do that, do this, do that. Okay? And when you use this way, it's very hard for 7-year-old students to change their mindset when they do subjective question. And as you know, in 2026, all the question actually is subjective. There's no like horizontal and vertical questions that's come out in their paper. Critical thinking, reasoning, and logical, connective is very important. They need to think, I choose this because, I do that because. They must have reasoning skill to support them to do so. Okay? Then you introduce this symbol, adding and subtracting. Then these symbols is come up. Let children to know that this symbol actually means put it together, and this symbol actually is take away. So let us play some activity. And our Cantos textbooks have assigned 2 methods to proceed this adding and subtracting. The first method is number 1 method. Okay. You will see in our books a lot of this triangle. The relationship between these 3 numbers. Then how we use this? Maybe we use that the combinations of these two numbers is equal to 5. If you're still using memorizing method hafakan, it means it's not good. We must always get children why that is become 5. It's very important because there are 2 units and then add 3 units, they are together. Then they have 5 units. So if we want them to put it together, then they have 5 units. And we need to explain that when the last box add with the last box together, then they become a more box. This is we call number bonds method. If we are talking about a takeaway, it means that you have more box than 5, and you take away 3. Then after that, how many quantity that you have? 2 remain in the last box. So this is a relationship between these 3 numbers, 5, 2, and 3. If you're using this method, we are using number bond method. Next, that is another method introduced in our textbook and activity books. How many cubes are there?
6.
Yes, that is 6. How many cubes are there?
5.
So right now, I want them to put it together.
11.
You know very, very well, am I right? You know, equal to,
11.
you see, using the mind map method, we get students to see that what is the meaning for put together. We don't put it here 5, here 6, and then here 11. In our books, you cannot change, am I right? But in a real activity, you have to get your student shift this all and put it into this place. Let children have the mindset which is together, it means that these 2 groups is put it here. So there's no more, and then we'll put it here. Get it or not? This is called mind math method, the second method. If, see, this mind map method, it is important. The aim of the mind map method, the aim of the mind map method is to tell us what is the 1 place value and 10 place value. I revise, okay? This will tell you what is the 1 place and 10 place value. How many numbers have you seen while you teach maybe 20 years or 15 years? How many numbers, individual, one number. How many numbers have you seen before? Individual single numbers. How many numbers? 1 to 9. 1 to 9, that's all? 1 to 10? The single number is 1 to 9. You have forgot that it still has 0 there. You know? You always forgot that that is a 0. Because 0 is nothing. How to teach 0? That's nothing. Correct or not? Okay. Yes. We always see the number is a 10 number, single digit number. From 0 to 9. But this single digit number, when they are put in this place value, wow, this is amazing. There's a billion numbers coming out. Am I right? So, place value is the most important when you teach number set. But place value, if you're using verbally tell, it is very hard to explain. Even 7 years old kids, am I right? So you need to play this game. See, how to play this game? How many numbers are there? Three. Okay? In the one place value, we put in 3. Yes, 3. How many numbers are there? 2 tens or 20. But we put it 2. Is it this 2 only? No. That is 2 tens or 20. You show your student in this form. 1 10, 2 10, it means that 2 10 equal to 20 units. Get your student know when this number put it into one's place value, it equal to 1 unit. Is this number put it into the 10 place value is equal to 2 times 20. If there is another number put into 100 place value, it means that 100. If the 100 place value has 400 or 4 pieces of hundreds, okay? Am I right? Get your children have that sense of mathematics. This is called place value. Again, So what should I put it here? The one place value.
3.
So yes. Okay. So it's very easy for your students to know that 1, 2, 3, 3 tens. So 30, 35. How many of them? 6.
7.
The one place value has 7 units, and the 10 place value has 6 10 or 60. 67. Always play this with your student in the number sense to build or develop young children's number sense. So, how many? If you want to add together,
56.
56. When I look at your face now you really go and cast. Okay. Hey, like a small kid, are you? Okay. How many? Quickly. 5, 10, 6, 1. What's that? Yeah, that is a 56. Next, how many?
69.
How many? Okay, good. Okay, how many of them?
89.
You're more faster already. You already know that. You count this one, how many? Then you already know that the position. Right now, you look at the position, am I right? Okay. Then
84.
Then
44.
this is called takeaway. You really, in the real scenario, you really take away this. Then you really show young children when you take away, the balance become less. So play this activity to improve young children number sense. So balance is 44.
65.
Yes, 65.
34.
More faster, am I right? I know. I play with my students. I always become a loser because they always, they always win there. Okay. 34. This is the powerful of place value. When you get your student to can see what is the meaning for place value, adding and subtracting is things that no problem for them already. Games. Yeah, place value game. You still don't know how to play the game yet, am I right?
Yes.
Because I did not give instructions yet.
Yes.
Okay. The instruction is, can you make a 2-digit, can you make it this 2-digit in a smaller number?
7.
Smallest.
No, it plays this 2-digit, but the digit is 2-digit one, okay? In a smaller number.
34.
3, 4. 3, 4 in our mathematics is no called 3, 4, am I right?
34.
Make a 2-digit number, which is a smaller number with these 2 cuts.
4.
These 2 cuts. 2-digit, 2-digit, 2-digit. 2-digit number, you know what's meant?
Yeah.
Means that 1 and 10, so 2-digit number. Make a 2-digit number, which is a smaller number.
34.
34. Okay? 34. Next. Now, I give you the 3 numbers already. No, just now 2 numbers. Right now, 3 numbers. Listen to the instruction. Make a 2-digit, which is a bigger number.
46.
46. 64. Okay. No, never mind. Because I make you career rule. Then, if your students are very good, you give 2 cards. They already know very fast. They already place that. Or you say bigger number, smaller number. Or like yesterday, I played with my students that we pick. Each of us pick 2 numbers. Okay, each of us pick 2 numbers. Then I said that you give one instruction one time, and then I'll give instruction one time. Then when she gives instruction, she always look at what is the numbers I have. Is it can make it 90 something or not? If I can make 90 something, I have 1 9 and 1 8. Definitely, I will say that. Can you do a bigger number, 2-digit bigger number? She know how to give instructions to make herself as a winner. It means that we as a teacher we're successful already. Am I right? Okay. So, can you use these 3 cards to make a smaller number? 2-digit smaller number?
34.
34. Okay. Now, I want you to close your eyes. Imagine that you pick 2 cards. 2 cards, huh? Okay? Pick 2 cards, huh? The cards is from 0 to 9. Okay. Okay, everybody, you have 2 cards already, You know your number, Be honest, Don't change your card, Okay? Okay. Then, make a bigger number. Okay, you're 41?
21.
71? 62?
21.
21? Yes? 43? 92? 95? 84? Did not pick, huh? Later I'll scold you,
63.
63?
54.
54? 96? 62? Wow, macam mana you dua orang boleh save? You only pick one card only,
She take my card.
Oh, she took your card, Okay, how about you? How about you? 84. 21. Okay. Did you tell me? 80. 51. 41. 63. 32. Okay. So, did you pick randomly? Or you have mixed some clue when you select these 2 cards? Again, my question, when you close your eyes, you just pick randomly, or you already make a clue that you pick these 2 cards? Make a clue. So, if you make a clue that you pick these 2 cards, you are waiting for my instruction, am I right? You don't know my instruction yet, am I right? What is the most benefit cards that you should choose? Because you're not picked randomly, right now. What is the most effective cards benefit you? I don't no wonder my teacher said that the bigger numbers or smaller number can also become a winner. What is the cards that you need to select?
0 and 9.
0 and 9. Okay, you said 0 and 9.
5.
5 and
0.
5 and 0. Okay. So we have compared already, 0 and 9 and 5 and 0. If I say make a smaller number, who is the winner? You said she's a winner. You said which one is a winner? 550. Even 90, 50, right now. It seems that if you pick 0 and 5 or 0 and 9, also cannot give you the bigger benefit. Am I right? You also have chance to become a loser. Am I right? So think again. What's the cards that you need to pick? 2 cards. 9 and 10.
9 and 8.
9 and 8. Okay. Then another. Only one person cannot do compare. Another person still need to select 2 numbers, which will have give you the big benefit to become a winner. What's the number? Nine and 8, she speak what 9 and 8? 99. Okay, so right now my instruction, make a smaller 2-digit number. So what is your number? 98. Smaller. Still 99. No matter big number or small number, you also 99. So it means that you have 50%, you become a loser. You either, because I said bigger number, you miss. You are the winner. Okay? If I say smaller number, you definitely a loser. You cannot win already. Because 99 is the biggest already. Give you, think one more time. What's the number can give you the big benefit? Susahnya. Critical thinking skill is like that one, But that's why just now I give you 5 minutes to rest. 9 and 1. You mean 9 and 1? Okay, another? Another person?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. 0 and 1, 9 and 1, Okay, so make a bigger number. 10. Make a smaller number. No, cannot 1. Because 0 cannot put it in front, right? Oh, now you know, because there is no 0, 1, so you are 19. You are 10. Because you pick 0 and 1, you only have one number, like 9 and 9. Okay? The most effective, the benefit you become, means the more percentage that you become a winner is you pick what number? 0, 1. 9 and 1. 9 and 1. Because the bigger number is 1. The smaller number is 19. Okay? That gives you the big percentage that you become a winner. Okay? So, next one. Look at this. This is number first. I give you 1 minute to look at this number. Okay. There is 14 cards here. Can you use plus and minus to make up these 14 cards into a group of 15? You can use 2 cards to make it together 15. Plus or minus, plus or minus to make it 15. Or you can use 3 to 4 cards to make it 15. The winner is the last card or the group of the card that you cannot make 15. The quantity, the number, the point is lesser, the winner. You know what I mean? You don't know. Let's say I make all a group with plus and minus 15 to the balance. I have cut 10, cut 10 and cut 9. It means that my balance is 19. I have 19 points. And this teacher has 4 points only balance. It means that she's the winner. Okay? Start from now. Make it. Yeah. Plus and minus, no matter how many cards you are used in a group, can make 15. Remain how many cards, and then you cast how many points that there is. If you did not remain any cards, well, you are sure whole slot you are the winner already. But after the cards are used already, you cannot reuse that. You cannot reuse the card. Minus 4, minus 1. Okay. You cannot reuse the card. If you reuse the card, how to have the balance that you did not use?
Sorry.
Yes. Yeah. Like this make 15, like this make 15. You also can use minus, plus or minus together.
Can use that.
I can use plus and minus. Children love to play this game much. I always play with them.
Plus and minus together.
Yes, can plus and minus together. This is for standard 1 to standard 3 levels. Done. Oh, okay. Very good. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is 17? There's no cut for 17.
Sorry, I mean 10 plus 7.
Oh,
Sorry, sorry.
okay.
10 plus 7 equal minus 2.
Okay. Okay. Well done. So the point that still remain is 0.
0.
Very good. So I want to see that is there any 2% is a winner or not? Tak boleh curi salin tutup Tak boleh habiskannya. I tahu tak boleh buat. Boleh buat tak?
I know already. I know.
Can. But you cannot be a winner already, no? Because she left 0 card.
No cut. No, 0, 0, 0 cut.
Is it?
I think first.
You think first, Because of you, everybody said that no, I want to become a 0 card. It means that, they are big 0 card. if you bring this activity back to your students, don't ask them to make 15, make 5 like this. And then maybe you only give 7 cards or 5 cards or how many cards, only don't give 14 cards. This is for standard 1 to standard 3. Yeah. And then this is suitable for adults also. If I bring just low level, it means that you are easily to overcome, am I right? It's not fun. Okay. 做没有？做不到一题没有呗？起码有一题吧。做不到全部也起码有一题吧。好像这一组就已经15了吗？不是，你做不能做到完，你最起码也是有一点。Three cards. Is it? 29, you left. 29, okay. 0 card, you left.
I left 1.
6, 1. Oh, you left 1. Okay. Let me have yours to make exercise. So there is 2 winner already. 0 units and 0 cards. 0 cards. There's 2 winners. How about you? 0 cards as well? No. 7. Okay. 0 card, 0 card. 0. Boleh. Ada new idea deh. Wah, ini macam banyak. Okay. Okay. Wah, banyak. is 2 ways. Right now I found, okay, you found 2 ways to get 15, whereby there is a remain 0 card. There is one way, another way. Okay, good. We found another solution. Very good. Okay? Those who cannot meet it, you want to give up already?
Zero, can you
Can, no problem.
Zero.
0 ah? You bagi dah kopi ah?
No.
And yes, this is the combination lah. You jangan nak buka ni macam bagi dah kopi yo.
Dia buat, dia dah habis.
Just now one.
Just now one.
Lagi banyak.
Just now one.
Buat.
Scramble balik.
Scribble balik. Right now lagi banyak.
Ini mau buat zero.
Sudah 0 ah?
Belum, on the way.
On the way. Okay, right. I love that attitude. On the way becomes 0. Correct. Okay, this is it. Three method. Now got 3 methods. 1 method, 2 method, 3 method. Both of 3 of you are using the same method. And she's create another method. And she's create another method, you know, to make it every equation is become 15, but then there's 0 card remain. If you want to give up already, just let me know, teachers. Teachers, I want to give up already. Kadang-kadang tak puas hati ya. Lain orang boleh puas, kenapa saya tak boleh? Betul tak? Okay, I'll give 5 minutes more. Are you doing 0 left or not? Eventually. Boleh. 9 plus 4 plus 1 not equal to 15. 4 plus 1 equal to 5 ah. Ah. 7 is 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. So this one and this one will be you must do something. Okay? Give up already. Already done. 0 card remain. You tengok dia punya. Tengok dia selalu buka macam ni oh. And then dia cakap tak bagi orang tengok, tapi dia orang semua orang tengok dia punya. You always say that. No, she finished and I open. Betul tak? Same combination as you. Okay. So you change? Yeah, you change, huh? Ah, yes! You got it! Okay. So right now, I want to call these 3 groups, come out and write on this and show how is it. So let her come and write. Okay. Let me see. I think I need to put it 1 layer. So we write here, then if you mark the pen, then we're going to write on this wall. Okay, so we write here, here. There's 2 layers. Okay. Mark the pen. You have. Okay, from here, from here. There's 2 layers here. Next. Is a second, correct or not?
Correct.
So please count. Is there any cut? There's you double, or there is totally no cuts remain. Ya itu saja. Itu saja. Okay, correct? Okay, give a big clap. So, the next group. You? See how she do it. Just draw a line, then this is the next group. This is fun, right? You can make a different equation. Yeah. So we start from here. See how she do it. She cracked her head, you know. To do this. Kita apa-apa macam mana punya equation. As you like. Bukan mesti mau 4 lah, 5 macam ni. That's why I said she cried her head to do this. Dah campur-campur semua. Jangan balik makan ubat macam ni. She used the number, add and get it, and then go and minus some numbers and add some number. Eventually, she got 15. In this, only one equation, am I right? Big equation, also meet our requirement. So the next, the third. Another combination, all right? Wow, okay, just check. Is it use all the cards? When you play and play frequently with your kids, then your kids is better than us, actually. They are more flexible to play with them. Okay? Now, again, son, we use back these 14 cards, but I want them to improve, to make the level improve. I want you to add times and divide. Also make 15. They are not every must use times and divides. Your solution is that maybe only one you're using times and only one you're using divided will meet the objective already. But you need to slot in times and divides in this, either one of this or all of this to make it 15. Okay? Okay? For those, you say that, ayah, saya kurang sikit saja. So right now, there's a second task. This is 4, so 4 to 6. Okay? You may start from now. One only also can? I don't need all. Okay, you use either one of it. Or you want to use all? Also can? It depends. Boleh? You can use plus, minus, times and divide. 4, okay? Plus, minus, time and divide together in this. But you must use this for once a times or all equation also no problem. How you going to flexibly doing this? Yeah, yes, that's very good. This one. Kadang-kadang geram ah.
Vanity? Excuse me, Vanity. If the question come out like that,
50 got target lah. Yeah. Maybe you cannot zero cuts is okay, but you make it the less cut. At least lah. She make it, and there is a 0 cat left. Wow! Right now, some requirement, she said that no device can or not? Can. If there's no device, but you must have time, plus and minus. Yeah. If you want minus plus that. Okay. 7 plus 6. 15, 30 plus 50. Okay. Okay. Can plus and minus. I'm also using this method to solve my problem. That's right. This is very critical. Oh, there is two methods that make the 15, which is no cuts left, but she's using times and times, plus and minus without divide. Okay. How about you?
Got 2 cuts.
Example. One cut left. No divide. You have number 2 left, is it? She has 1 cut left, but the unit is 2. Oh, you have 1 cut left, huh? The unit is 4. Okay. How about you? How about you? Huh? You only 1 cut left. What's the unit? 9
The unit 1.
1 only
Number 1.
Number 1 only Oh, okay, okay. Go see. Okay, good. How many cards have you left? What was that card? Means that you have 10, no? How about you? What's the left? 9 and 4. 9 and 4. Okay. Okay. So if me, I want minus 1. I want minus 1. Like how about you? 9 and 7. Hey, right now, Tara cuba tengok.
Yes, why?
Oh, this one cannot be. Yes, 13. Then so you have 2 cards now. What's 9 and 7? 9 and 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Okay. This one, and then 9 minus 7 equals 2. 13 plus 2 equals to 15. No cut left. Quick. How about you? Are you no cut left, huh? How about you? Wow, you really crack head on you, huh? Crack your head already, huh? Okay. Okay, 43. How you get 43? Yeah. Oh, this one is the first row plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5. 25, 29 plus 5. 29 plus 5, not 43. Oh. No, 29 ah. 29 ah, 29. 29, 30 ma, 34 only. Ha, 34 only. Okay. Kayak tu mana mana? Hah, mana? Oh, 3 ni ah. Okay. Lagi boleh main macam ni lah. Memang ini ya burn our brain ya. How about you?
Kena macam ni saya rasa saya tak cukup pandai.
Bukan. You need to practice a lot. You know, I play this one even plus, even times and divide times and divide the child cannot set one. I tak pernah menang sekalipun. I never win once a time with him. You know, he's do mental arithmetic. Wow, cuts very fast off. I also cannot. I cannot win. You know, because he's very good. He can cast very fast, and then he casts very accurately. So, this is not because of you bodoh ke, pandai ke apa ke. You practice not many, not practice enough, you know. Because they are doing mental arithmetic, they everyday practice, you know. So I also practice lah, but I can win others' children. Okay, my student others, but beside him, you cannot win him. You know? How about you? I give 5 more minutes, okay? Because they already have filled. The answer is 0. Okay, 0 cards left. Then 没有看。哇！You must be patient, you know, when you count. Wait. Yeah, that's it, ready. Let's put in here. Yeah, So the first person I would like to invite. Wait, because they said that they don't want to give up yet. Okay, give some more. 2 minutes.哎，可是你没有传呢。哦，要传，最起码。如果是第一轮的话，你就赢了。嗯。Okay, let us invite your name please, and then you're gonna run, okay? See how. So look at how she work up this. Nine times 2 equal to 18. 18 minus 3 equal to 15. Yes, correct. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6, 15. And 25. 25 minus 10, 15. Yes. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 minus 1, 15. Yes. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 7 equal to 15. Yes, correct. So there is a 14 tests that we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, good. So the next person who have 0 cards, balance, who? Yeah. And then you two, is it? Okay. Then it is. I think don't write too big, no place for her. But your writing is good, Your writing is good, teacher, because it's big enough for students to see whole picture. Yes, she used a bracket. Good. You see? 7 plus 6, because 1 times 6 equal to 6. 7 times plus 6, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. 10 plus 9 minus 4 equal to 15. 7 times 4 equal to how many?
7 times 4, 28.
28, huh? You see, she used it because she don't want the 9 plus 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Am I right? Okay, then minus 10 is equal to 18. 18 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 15. So she's used wisely. She has 2 cards that no place to fill in. Luckily, 9 and 9, the card. So plus 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So make it 15. Well done. Okay, teacher. Someone else, teacher, how many cards that you left? 3 cards. It means that you must do times or divide first. Okay, you must do this. So 9 times 1 equal to 9 plus 6 equal to 15. 10 divided by 2, it is very good. They have divide. Only this formula, they have divided. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 7 equals to 15. 9 times 1, 9 plus 4 equal to 13. 13 plus 9 equal to 22. 22 minus 7 equal to 15. Yeah. This is the best. Okay, because they use all the plus, minus, times, and divide. Very good. Okay. You can reduce the requirement for the children age 6 to play with this. Because revision, not necessary to give a lot of worksheet. Revisions that you give some, like these types of the activity for them to do plus and minus, plus and minus. In our book, in our book, okay, year 6, there is one unit which is we need our students to cast 3 units in once or minus 3 units in one. Means that 9 plus 2 plus 1 or 9 minus 2 minus 1. Am I right? That you can take this activity for in your class, then you can get children to do revision. But the figure you can make it down, maybe not 14 cards, maybe not 15, maybe 8, maybe 9. Let them can overcome easily. Okay? If I give you the task is 8 or 9, you are easy already, am I right? Everybody have to go and write on the board. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, and then all of you are very, very good. So this is almost end of our sections. Conclusion. First, please name one of the among 6 mathematical concepts which we have learned before. Just now, what is a mathematical concept that I have introduced to you?
Shape.
Spatial sense, measurement, pattern, yes.
Number sense.
Number sense, yes. Estimation, measurement has already. And the last one, who know movement? No, not it.
Spatial.
Problem solving that we will discuss after that. Okay, problem solving. Problem solving, you can design problem-based mathematics or project-based mathematics to do problem solving. Okay. Very good, huh? See that? Whether you can answer all everything correctly. Yes. Number sense, pattern, measurement, spatial sense, estimations, problem solving. Love you. Okay? Thanks. Next question. Here are the elements which I've discussed for developing student math skill. This is an element. Can you tell just now what we have learned about shape? What is a shape? Circle, rectangle, square. Yes. Correct. Good. Next, color. What's the color we have learned just now? Red, yellow, green, purple. Yes. Red, blue, green, yellow, purple, orange. Next, about size.
Big and
Small, big and small.
Medium,
Large. Long and
long,
long short. Yes. Okay. How about quantity?
food, less and
Less and more. Okay. And the last one, oh, very crack our head one is number. What's the number? 1, 4, 10. Why only learn this number?
One sentence. One and one.
Zero.
One sentence that is called place
value.
Place value we have learned. And then
0 and 9.
number bonds. Yes, good. And then just now I heard what's the numbers? How many numbers that we have learned?
0
to 9.
0 to 9. Yes. Wow. I really appreciate and love all of you so much because none of this you cannot answer. Everything you can answer. Okay? Good. Furthermore, young children learn maths begin from concrete object, then abstract. Concrete object means that you let them to see object, and then after that you get them to the abstract symbolic numbers. Why we need to get young children to learn from concrete object first before abstract?
Because they not recognize the numbers.
Sorry, I want to Huh? It's easy for them to observe. Okay?
They not yet recognize the numbers first.
They not yet recognize the number. Then any other reason why we need to get children to learn object first?
They will understand more.
Compare. Because we want to get children to learn to compare. They get more understand. Oh, because the real object is more interesting compared to the theory. Okay. Any other reason? For them to do counting and then make sure what? And match with the number card. This is a process. Okay, this is a process. Do you know that children when they count with object that can move, it's easier compared to the count in the picture cannot move.
Yes.
Because students still under pre-operational stage. They are not really may accept the symbolic kind. Like picture also symbol. Okay, picture. Because they cannot move. So when you ask students to do like counting, let's say in our book that have object, okay, and then you ask children to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Like this. It is count 1 to 1 correspondent. If the student eye and hands coordinations not developed in situation, 1 to 1 correspondent, it doesn't mean that can benefit the child. Eyes and hand coordination are not developed in a proper yet. So if you use for the beginning, they use object for them to count, then they can touch. It is to help them when they do counting and learn more faster. Therefore, young children need to begin from concrete objects, then abstract. Especially when they are 6 years old, they are geometry, they come like 3D geometry, like cylinder, cubes, cuboid, like this. You know? Okay. if you only let them to see in a picture, actually they are not really know how they look like. They totally no idea about that. How many surface that these have, they cannot, they don't know. So this is a golden period for us to expose our students whereby they are using the real object. So young children learn maths begin from concrete object, then abstract. That's better. As I know, your school have a lot of concrete object. Okay, there's no problem with that. Next. There's two methods that have introduced to all of you, adding and subtracting. Were introduced by Cantos. What are they? Two methods.
Number bond and mind.
Yes, very good. I love you so much. You're always in the first one to answer this, okay? That is, what's that? Number bond method and then mind math method. So the next question I want to ask. This is the number bond methods and mind math methods. Which you prefer much? Yes? My maths. Number one, my maths. My maths. Okay. So I pick two of you who select number one and two of you who select my maths and why. Just now you select number one, is it? Why?
Put together, we can develop more. So I want to cut down the quantity. 就讲 less, just now you teach less plus less the number bond with the
Number bond is this,
more less. More.
This is less,
More.
and then this become more. Okay.
So when put together to create
And put together into this, then they become
more.
more. If you take away and put it here, and it becomes less. So you prefer this because it's easily and clearly to see how the operation is. Okay? And then who picked number one also? Who picked number one? But just now it's only one person pick number one? You also pick number one, is it? My maths. Who picked number one? Okay, how about you? My maths.
Easy for them to count, cut and count.
Easy for them to cut and count the object.
Count the objects.
Oh, the my maths method is using this. So it is easy for them to count. And it means that take away and add together. Okay. And who has picked my maths also? What's your pick? My maths. Okay, can you explain why? It's okay. You take your time and think about it.
It's because of they got tens and ones. The tens in a one box and the ones in a like
In separate one unit.
separate one unit. So they easy to count. Put ones, then the tens they count and put together.
You mean 10 plus 1 equal to 11?
Yeah.
10 plus 2 equal to 12. Is it? Yes. And you may see, I write down here, can you see here now? Can number bond, the my maths, actually, the locations that the cubes place is very important. You may find out the top row, there is only 5. Excuse me, sorry. That is not end the class yet. Sorry about that. Okay. So, then the first row have 5 cubes. You arrange flexible already. You cannot put 6 cubes. So for children easily to understand that this is 5, 5, and 6 and 7. They are cast like that. So the place that you locate, it is easier for you to cast 5, 6, 7. If until here, then how many? 9. So basically, the position already tells you the quantity. This is a MyMax. The benefits that you're using the MyMax method. And as the teacher said, it is easy for young children to identify what is a 10 place value and what is a 1 place value, whereby we have 10 place value and 1 place value in a different form. 10 place value, they have a chart that is full 10. That is 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. If you look at your books, they will write down like that. And 1 place value in a single unit. Single unit. Okay? Therefore, this is a MyMax method. These two methods are very effective for young children to learn. These are, number one method is good when there is some questions come up like this. Okay? Then you may use, this is more or less?
More.
This is?
Less.
So while they place this number into more or less position, then they will know that if I want to find less, it means that I need to use minus or plus.
Minus.
Yes. This is very good and effective for this mathematical equation. If not, very hard to teach this, am I right?
Yes.
So you can use number one method for
The
this.
children cannot understand.
Yeah, this is for second semester.
Yeah.
So the first semester, we need to introduce these two methods first for young children, for your students. Then the second semester, they will use whatever they have learned, put it into to solve this problem. Solve the problem here. And refractions area. So now, I want you to close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Breathe in, out, breathe in again, and breathe out slowly, and breathe in again, and breathe out. Right now, you recall back what we have learned and what the activity that you have learned just now. Let's the activity, like a video, show in your mind. Repeat once again. Slowly open your eyes. Breathe in again and breathe out. Okay. When we want to end our morning sections, then we need to do a reflection step. What we have learned and what activity. Once of the activity I have shared, which ones has inspired you in planning your lesson? Of the activity I have shared, because now I have shared quite a lot of activity, am I right? Which one has inspired you in planning your lesson?
Shape. First one, the shape, size, and then the skills, children's skills, listening skills, organizing size, display operations,
to your class?
No, because I didn't teach maths. I just teach them. But this is for me it's a new, and I can teach other students.
Oh, good. Good sharing. Next, which activity that you will bring in your lesson, planning in your lesson? How about you?
There's still a new center. Subject start next year only. You're going to start.
Yeah, this is for planning for your lesson. So the among all the activity which will inspire you that you will bring it into planning in your lesson.
Number science.
Number science. Okay, can you explain?
Because that's the main thing that we're going to teach them. At the end of the day, they're going to learn the numbers. So they should know the addition, subtractions, to improve their problem solving skills, critical thinking skills.
Oh, okay, thank you. Good. How about you? Yes. Don't be afraid. Everybody has a chance to say this. Number sense also. Why? And don't look at her. She got her part. Yes. Yes. The game, this is very interesting.
Yeah.
Which game? Can you elaborate a little bit?
Just now the addition game.
Oh, addition game, it means that 14 cards
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, you prefer that one. And then they will inspire you and then you will bring it to your school, is it?
Yeah.
So,
Maybe they will hate it also.
huh? Yes, for that. They will hate it. Or you want to make your student hate it?
Can try.
Can try.
Try to play.
But when there is young children, maybe 5 years old, 6 years old, they don't give so many cards. Maybe 5 cards to 6 cards or 8 cards maximum. And then the numbers, numbers maybe 8 is enough already. Until 8, don't 15 like that. They may be a little bit
Frustrated.
frustrated, yes, because they cannot be patient as us, as patient as us. Okay, how about you?
Saya baru ganti uji matematik sebab uji matematik saya dia dah masuk gabungan. So sekarang saya masuk kelas dia. So saya dapat dah topik dan sudah nak habis pelajaran. Dan mereka sentiasa challenge saya. Lagi successful.
Oh, 6 years old children challenge you. Oh,
Sekarang saya buat order macam komen, teacher, dia macam tak
this
percaya.
is true.
Dia macam tak percaya saya ajar dia.
Oh,
Dan
okay.
saya cek lagi. Saya banyak practice rumah lah buat. Dan saya kata, itu saya sudah buat dulu sebelum saya ajar ibu. Saya juga. Dan mereka akan pergi tanya principal.
Hah? Mereka pergi tanya principal lah.
Sebab saya new teacher. Saya new teacher lagi situ.
Wow.
So mereka challenge saya, dia dapat tengok betul ke saya ni boleh ataupun macam teacher yang dulu.
Oh, boleh adakah pandai daripada cikgu yang
Dia
dulu
macam
punya?
mungkin tak percaya saya lah.
Ayo.
Then, tapi apa yang saya ada tu semua betul. Saya sebelum tu saya dah tanya principal macam mana sebab saya bukan bahagian matematik. Saya prefer to go to PM.
Oh.
Dan sini cuma ganti saja. Then
Dia
saya
tahu.
boleh bawa
Murid-murid tahu tak?
tahu
Tahu you ganti saja.
ganti.
Oh.
Tapi lepas saya bawa mereka ada sekali cakap, cikgu you very good.
Cikgu you very good ah. Oh.
Kenapa sebab dia kata you cikgu PM.
Tapi you boleh buat matematik. Wow. You heard this, you will feel proud of this, am I right?
So itu nombor pun saya ada banyak kali praktis kat rumah. Then bila saya tahu saya dapat tahu itu saya dapat buat, saya mesti seronok lah. Dapat ada satu benda yang baru.
Oh, so the number one part is most inspired you.
So sebab tu saya betul-betul nak pergi buat dari.
Very good, ah. Okay. How about teacher? My maths.
They still cannot
say what?
It's hard for them to understand when I explain, so I think I
Mean plus and minus.
Yes.
Plus and minus. What is the age? 5 years old. Oh, until end of the year also.
The tens and ones they understand already, but so it takes so long time for me to understand. But for now they are okay already. They understand. They confused about the tens and ones less.
They only confuse tens and ones.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So right now you learn the MyMaths method, and then you want to bring these MyMaths methods and plan for your students in the next lesson, in coming for the 2026 semesters lesson. Oh, okay, good. Okay, how about you? Number bond and MyMaths method. Number bond. More the student more prefer number one method. So what you will plan for next year? What's the planning for next year? Oh, you are take these two methods. Yes, yeah. Because these two methods actually they have different the learning outcome. Different learning outcome. If you're using MyMaths method, it is more to understand about 1 and 10s. So you may foresee that if you use MyMaths method, actually you don't need to use your finger to count. Then you will know that how many 10s, but how many 10s, then add how many quantity of the units that you can get the answer. Okay? But when you want to solve the problem, which is the question as this question, okay? MyMaths may be not really very effective to solve this question. The number bond will be more effective, okay, to solve this question. Okay, next. How about, okay, that is last two I want to ask. Okay, how about you? Which one inspired you?
Yeah, I am teaching maths in school, and then I just follow the lesson plan and things. But for now, I really get a clear picture about the six concept, and I'm going to implement this next year in each topic related to this. And for me, Inspire is MyMaths.
Oh, MyMaths.
Because I always use MyMaths to my kids. Because children, they have their own method of understanding. So in our side, our kids, our children, they are more to this MyMaths. And also, I also use the number words also for 6 years old.
Oh, for 6 years old.
Yes, and even for 6 years old, I use both number words also I use, MyMaths also I use. Some children, they already okay with MyMaths, so they go for number one. In the same class, I have to use new method for the slow children. So
Slow children have to use two methods.
no. There are one group of children. They already know how to do the mathematical equation. Some children they still not confident on themselves. So I have to use the MyMaths for them to do the mathematics, so that they can have their own confidence to move on to the next step for the number ones.
It means that MyMaths methods is more helpful for them to do counting, adding, and subtracting.
Yes.
And then while they have confidence in their addition and subtraction, then this will help them much. Oh, the number bond parts will help them much. Okay, good. The last person who volunteered to share with me.
Me.
Yes, I love you. Good. You see? Attitude, good attitude.
I was thinking I want to try lah. I want to mix and match. So like I want to try the pattern and spatial sense.
Oh, spatial sense. Match.
Match.
Matching.
Yeah. Both two concepts in one.
Oh, matching two concepts.
I
What concept? Spatial sense and
pattern.
pattern. Oh, how? Oh, this is very new, huh? Okay, how?
I'm thinking want to like maybe for special sense like a shape of science, like they try to make some reasoning skill or predictions. Example, maybe like the just now about the poses, about the size, and then they will learn about the size small, big, and then next why they choose this one, why they choose like this, like they try to make some connections for the reason why they choose the answer.
Oh, it means that your lesson will plan for the beginning. You let them to play first.
Yeah.
Then after that, you will add on some questions
Yeah.
that to ask them why they are do such of the decisions.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, very high end, huh? Okay, very good lesson plan. You're from where? What's that?
Kampung Lapan.
Malacca.
Malacca. Oh, I'm waiting for it. Malacca. See how is it? Okay. I have lessons in the enrichment class that online. Okay, I found out that are you there in the enrichment class?
Before.
Just what? Last two weeks is it?
Yes,
Last 2 weeks. Did you attend?
No, I choose to.
You only kindergarten, is it? For that online sections, really Malacca teachers, there's 3 person also in online, but I cannot see their face because they did not on their video. Very aggressive. They keep on answer in the online. It make me not feel alone. Very, very good. Okay? So, I hope that the whole sections here, it brings you and inspire you some ideas that you can bring it back for your lesson. To develop your children spatial sense, number sense, measurement, pattern, estimation, and problem solving concept. Okay? I'll see you next. Okay? Next sections. We'll come back on 1:30. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you.